Hi, this is me, Yashasvi Acharya. DeFi, or Decentralized Finance, is an umbrella term representing a collection of financial products and services created and offered over the distributed ledger technology. The intermediation of financial institutions is denecessitated by these protocols with the use of cryptographic proof of transactions. These protocols also make use of advanced tools like programmed smart contracts and tokenization to design innovative financial products offered to participants of the blockchain peer-to-peer network. The DeFi ecosystem appeared with smart contract-enabled blockchain platform Ethereum going live in 2015, and today, by end of November 2021, has proliferated to more than 250 protocols with over $100 billion in total value logged in these protocols. The DeFi ecosystem is rapidly innovating and emerging with wonderful new products, which is disrupting the financial products and services marketplace. These products include stablecoins, decentralized exchanges, decentralized lending and borrowing platforms, decentralized asset management tools, decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs, and governance, insurance products, derivatives products, margin trading products, payment solutions, staking solutions, KYC and identity solutions, tokenization, yield aggregation platforms, prediction markets, infrastructure and developing tooling products, analytics services, among many such offerings. The innovation in the DeFi segment is prolific and exciting. This segment is evolving rapidly as better and better protocols are coming up with each innovative iteration and market offering in any particular segment. The blockchain projects are also evolving, and so are the applications in the form of DeFi. The returns of the DeFi instrument are quite handsome when compared to similar traditional finance products and services. The traditional financial product and service marketplace is also referred as CeFi, acronym for centralized finance. This is possible because the smart contracts and decentralized consensus reduce the counterparty risk, monitoring and arbitration cost, and also the cost of intermediation. The programmable nature of decentralized applications also provides the flexibility to order the best possible combinations of these instruments to maximize returns. This feature is given a very interesting terms. It is called money Legos, indicating that parts can be joined together in a preferred order of precedence depending on the comfort of the user. Oracles on the decentralized ecosystem connect the real-world trigger events to smart contracts, enabling conditional execution of the same. This enables creation of derivatives, prediction markets, and a lot of other possibilities. Tokenization of the real-world assets helps granularization of high-value assets, helping address a wider investor base and also brings them into digital realm, transcending the geographical boundaries, helping cater to a larger digital global audience. Programmability of the decentralized applications in the financial realm help create bespoke products for the users, providing for many interesting innovations in this area. Currently, as the craze of DeFi grips and drives the imagination of investors, we can say we are for some very interesting times in this area. However, along with innovation suitably follows a word of caveat, the DeFi segment is not regulated at the moment. The regulatory framework moves slowly to catch up with the innovation, and it's the same which is happening in this area. Therefore, users have to be extremely careful with their research of the DeFi project before participating into it and availing its benefits. Choosing on the basis of returns only may not be a judicious approach at the moment. One must do your own research meticulously and observe the proliferation of any project closely before participating in it. One may also avail services of several audit companies who specialize in auditing and security and other features of the smart contracts published by project. If one covers the risk well, DeFi is one segment which would provide the early adopters with exciting returns. That's all for today. This is me, Yashasvi Acharya, signing off. Have a really good day.